Hi, I'm Brian with Koenig Equipment. I'd like to help you find your product identification number or serial number. On a lawn tractor, like you see here, it's in one of two places. If it is the X series 3 through 5, the serial number will be on the frame just above the front axle on the right side of the mower. On the X7 series, it'll be on the frame rail above the mower deck, below the foot plate. On your zero-turn mowers, your residential, it's going to be on the engine plate on the left-hand side. And if you have a Z5 series mower, it will be on the same engine plate on the right side. On a commercial mower, if you're dealing with the Z900 Z-Track series, the serial number plate is going to be located on the engine plate on the right side, visible just behind the right tire.